Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the collaboration software in a Scrum framework. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management, Scrum framework and software development. So let's start, friend. Uh, Friend, nowadays whenever we are working in project management or we are dealing with any project of software development in which we are using the Scrum framework, so collaboration softwares are very important in such framework. Basically, collaboration software plays a crucial role in a Scrum framework by facilitating communication, coordination, and transparency among team members, product owners, and other stakeholders. Nowadays, many softwares are available which we use so that we can communicate, we can send messages, we can share files, we can have the visibility about the status tracking, and we can emphasize basically Scrum emphasize iterative development, frequent feedback, and continuous improvement as well. So these such collaboration softwares helps team manage their work, track progress, and collaborate effectively as well. Let me give you an example, friend. For example, one team is sitting in USA, one is in Canada, one is in India, one is in Pakistan. So basically different teams are sitting at different locations, and all teams are working on the same product but different modules. So as they are using the Scrum framework, for example, so how they will communicate, how they will collaborate. So nowadays available very important, very good softwares nowadays are available like Jira, Trello, etc. So these softwares support communication and collaboration through which team can use it and efficiently work on it. So first thing is the communication. Friend, collaboration tools provide various communication channels such as chat, discussions, forums, and messaging to foster open communication among team members. We know that when teams are working, and especially if they are sitting, if they are having locations at different locations, so communication becomes a big barrier for them. So like for example, like if there is a chat available in normally and generally available in the collaboration communication softwares, so real-time communication help team members stay connected, ask questions, share updates, and discuss issues, promoting a transparent and collaborative environment. For example, you are sitting in Pakistan, and the for example the Scrum, the product owner is sitting in USA, for example. So you have some questions, you have some queries. So what you can do, you can ask through this software, and the product owner can reply you. Also, all these conversation will be documented, so you can review it at some later stage as well. Then project management means that Scrum boards are available in these sorts of collaboration softwares, which will basically these boards typically have columns like to do list, in progress, and done. So you have a clear visibility that what are the tasks which are in to do list, what are in the progress list, and what have been completed. So it basically a great opportunity. It becomes very convenient for the team member to visualize the work. Then backlog management is also important here available, like collaboration tools offer features to create and manage product backlogs, allowing teams to prioritize and organize user stories and tasks efficiently here as well. So collaboration software not only provide the communication, they also provide proper and appropriate project management as well. Then document sharing and collaboration means that collaboration software enables teams to share documents, designs, and other related files, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest information. For example, you want to share a scope document with some team members, so you can easily share it with as well. Basically, you can create groups in the software, and you can easily share, collaborate, discuss the documents in the software as well. Also, collaborative editing is available, like some tools provide real-time collaborative editing features, allowing multiple team members to work on documents simultaneously. For example, one team member sitting in India and one is sitting in Pakistan, so both team members can simultaneously work on the same document of a scope. For example, one is sitting in USA, one is sitting in Canada. Both team members can work on the functional specification document simultaneously. So these are the features which are available in the collaboration software. Then sprint planning. means that a collaboration software often includes features to assist with the sprint planning. This can involve estimating story points, setting priorities, and planning the team's capacity for the upcoming sprint here as well. Again, as a whole team, they can plan the sprint. They can decide that what are the features they will take from the product backlog, and it will become the sprint backlog. So all the plannings features are available in these sorts of softwares. Then task tracking and progress monitoring, like for example burn down charts are available. Burn down charts are automatically basically generating in these softwares. Like burn down chart represents that how much work is remaining in the sprint. So these burn down chart, burn up chart, all these sorts of charts nowadays available in the collaboration software, and they are generating automatically. Then teams can track the status of individual tasks, identify bottlenecks, issues, and ensure that work is progressing as planned, as it was initially decided. Then integration with development tools as well, like these softwares are integrated with version control systems, continuous integration tools, and testing frameworks, ensure a seamless flow of information between development activities and the collaboration platform here as well. Then a remote collaboration means collaboration software facilitates remote work by providing virtual spaces for team members to collaborate, eliminating geographical barriers and allowing for distributed Scrum teams here as well. It is also a big advantage of collaboration software through which you can easily collaborate here. Still, if you are on the different locations, different location you are sitting, but you can easily collaborate with each other because you are using a collaboration software here as well. Then feedback and retrospective means that collaboration tools often include feature for providing feedback and conducting retrospective at the end of each sprint, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Here friend, we know that whenever the sprint review meeting held, for example you have given a demo of the sprint. So like for example these software supports a collaborative discussion online here as well. Like different people are different, sitting at different location, they can give their feedback, they can provide their opinion here as well. So basically friend, popular collaboration tools used in Scrum include Jira, Trello, Asana, and Microsoft Azure DevOps, among others. These tools can be customized to fit the specific needs and preferences of a Scrum teams while providing the necessary features for effective collaboration and project management.